How to stabilize video in VM Video Editor. That's what I will show you today. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So, as you might know, VM Video Editor does not have the stabilizing option or feature just like other video editors. However, there's an easy workaround that can get the job done. So go ahead and open up your VM Video Editor. Uh, and once you do that, click to add. And once you do that, click to add new project. It's going to select a random video right here. Let's proceed. So as you can see right here, there's no option to stabilize the video. However, what you can do, as you can see, this is just a screen recording for the sake of the tutorial and explaining. It's not like shaky video that you like the ones you take with your camera, or however it works the same way. Once you are here, search for the speed option, and what you need to do right here is to um, move or navigate whenever it is on a shaky part of your video, and just adjust the curve right here so it does not look as shaky. So play around with the curve right here till it fits the video. It's different for everyone, and that can get the job done if your video is a bit shaky, and it will stabilize it. So that was it for this video. That's how you can stabilize videos in VM Video Editor. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.